Hello again, YouTube viewers. Today we've got a really fun video for you, and welcome back, and welcome to the new viewers. Today we are going to demonstrate and try the new proaim, well, new to me, proaim comfort arm vest, steadycam. We've got it all rigged up here, so I'd like to start out by saying that this, for a very low budget, this is a really nice product. Very well constructed, thick padding. I mean, there's almost an inch of padding there. So let's get right to the point here, and I will demonstrate how we set this thing up. And first thing we're going to do is put the vest on, so we'll have to undo a couple clips here. And I find the easiest way to put it on is to remove all the clips on one side. Slide our arm through there. Okay, let's see if we can get that over our shoulder. Alright, and we're hooked on the tree there. Okay, so I like to put the top clip in first. Then I go for one of the side clips. I'll put that in there. Okay. And then make sure that that's really snug. You don't want this thing moving around once it's on you. What you want is it to be very snug and tight so that your body can control the Steadicam right here. Next thing we will do, we'll put on the spring arm, or as proaim calls it, the comfort arm. Okay, we'll place that onto there. I've already balanced the camera rig on the stabilizer, so I have another video that demonstrates on how to go about balancing one of these. So here we go, and as you can see, let's just move the stand out of the way here now, and as you can see, I can move. Oops, I need to get control of that. Hold it there. I can move, I can walk up and down, and that thing stays very stable. Okay, so we're going to do a couple running shots here and see how stable the video footage is afterwards. Alright, here we go, down a set of stairs and back. Steadicam, go down some stairs. Okay, as you can see, the spring takes all the weight. The proaim comfort arm has an adjustable mechanism on the side of the spring here. What you want to do is hold the grip fairly firm, not too firm. You want it to be able to move, and then you just with your fingers just gently tap it for your direction, and that's about that. I find for under $300 it cost me to get this set up, and you can pay a lot of money for these things. This is a great value. It's very well constructed. All of the metal parts are made out of high quality machined aluminum, and I would say if you're a filmmaker on a budget, just getting started, and you want to get a Steadicam, get away from the gimbal thing, this is a very good route to take. This particular setup, I think it takes 11 pounds it will hold. So I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you back next time. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos there and there. See you back next time, everyone.